Good day. For this video, pag-uusapan natin ang lathe machine. Isa ito sa mga major topic na pagdadaanan ng mga students in mechanical engineering and mechanical engineering technology as part of the machine shop subject nila. Pero para sa mga nagsisimula pa lang sa industry ng fabrication at curious kung ano ba ang lathe machine, tamang-tama din ito sa inyo. So, ito yung isang actual na picture ng lathe machine. Okay? So, ano ba yung lathe machine? So, dito sa video ito, I will discuss to you lathe machine definition, introduction, of course, and lathe machine parts and their function, types of lathe machine, and its application. So, makikita nyo dito sa video, ito yung sample ng actual operation ng lathe machine natin sa viscast. Okay? Para sa introduction, so the lathe machine is an ancient tool, no? Kasi it was developed around 1300 BC. And at that time, wala pang masyadong developed na parts, kundi yung prime mover niya at yung support lang, no? But during the Industrial Revolution, metalworking lathes evolved into heavier machines with thicker and more rigid parts. Between 19th and 20th centuries, yung mga prime mover niya is napalitan na ng electric motor, no? And noong 1950s, servo mechanism is applied para makontrol or makapag-set na ng different speed ng spindle ng lathe machine. So the lathe is the most versatile machine tool among all standards of the machine. So according also to Mano, lathe machine is also known as the mother or father of the entire tool family. So a lathe machine is a machine tool that is used to remove metals. If metal yung workpiece natin, kung wood naman, syempre wood yung i-remove from a workpiece to give a desired shape and size. So the various other operations that you can perform with the help of lathe machine can include sanding, yung paggamit ng papel de liha para ma-remove yung metal parts or if metal yung ginagawa natin, cutting, knurling, drilling, and deformation of tools that are employed in creating objects which have symmetry about the axis of rotation. So, ito yung working principles, ano? So, a lathe operates on the principle of rotating workpiece and a fixed cutting tool. Kumbaga, iikot mo yung workpiece mo or yun nga, job, but usually tinatawag natin siyang workpiece, no? So as the workpiece rotate, i-fed mo yung tool, yung cutting tool natin, and kapag minove mo siya left or papuntang left or papuntang right, so makakat na yung workpiece natin. Depende kung anong size yung gusto mo, yung desired shape and size na target natin. So, ganun lang kasimple yung working principle ng lathe machine. Okay, so for the main parts, so we have here the headstock, the chuck, fed shaft, carriage, tailstock, the bed, and lead screw. So, isa-isahin natin yan dito sa discussion natin sa main parts ng lathe machine. So, unahin natin yung headstock. Headstock is situated at the left side of the lathe bed. It's the house of the driving mechanism and electrical mechanism of a lathe machine tool. So, dito sa headstock, so ito yung headstock natin. So, it holds the job on its spindle nose. So, itong headstock, nandito yung spindle, which give the yung power yung power to rotate ng workpiece, kasi nandito yung motor, yung motor or yung prime mover nitong lathe machine. Okay, so meron ditong mga label for H1, that is the geared headstock housing. We have also intermediate gears lever, high-low gear lever. Yan. We have also the lead screw, and the forward-reverse switch. Okay, so ano bang purpose nitong mga lever na ito? So this is for the speed selection, kung ano yung desired nating speed ng pag-rotate ng spindle natin. Of course, it will depend sa workpiece natin or kung ano yung target output natin dito sa lathe machine. So itong lead and fed screw, so later i-discuss ko sa inyo yung difference nitong dalawa. Okay? And another purpose nitong mga speed selection natin is yung for threading operation. Kasi for each lathe machine, may may guide or may manual how to use this speed selection, especially for threading operation. Gagawa tayo ng thread. For example, gagawa tayo ng thread na merong 20 TPI. So meaning ng TPI is thread per inch. Thread per inch for English unit, and for metric naman, yung pitch in millimeter. Okay, so halimbawa, yung gagawin natin na thread is, let's say, 20 TPI. So, titingnan natin dito sa manual, or nakalagay naman yan dito sa part na ito, yung mga tables, Yun nga, kung meron tayong 20 TPI thread na gagawin, so dito may mga corresponding setting na yan na isa-set mo itong mga lever in order to produce those desired yun nga, thread per inch kung sa threading operation na tayo. So, iti-set mo lang siya dyan. And then, Kapag naset mo na siya, so you can now, you can now uh, come up with that desired uh, thread per inch. No? And aside from that, yun nga, sabi ko kanina, depende pa din sa workpiece natin. Ano? So, yung rule dyan, kapag the bigger the diameter of the workpiece, so it is better to lower the spindle rotation. No? Yeah. Anyway, i-discuss pa din natin yan pagdating natin sa operation. So, mag-focus muna tayo dito sa parts. So, another main parts ng lathe machine is yung tinatawag nating bed. So, it is the base of the lathe machine. It is made of single-piece casting of semi-steel. The bed consists of two heavy metal slides running lengthwise with base or B formed upon them and rigidly supported with cross gear. So, itong bed na ito is napaka-rigid niya, Napaka-rigid niya. Kasi, kapag start na tayo mag-operate ng machine, nitong lathe machine, hindi maiwasan yung vibration, yung vibration. But with this bed, it is sufficiently rigid and good damping capacity to absorb vibration. And aside from that, it also prevents deflection produced by cutting force. Siyempre, mabilis yung ikot niya. Halimbawa, let's say, mabagal ang ikot pero malaki naman yung diameter ng workpiece natin. So, yung torque niyan is malakas pa din. So, once na i-fined mo na yung cutting tool mo, siyempre may deflection yan. May deflection yan. Di-deflect niya yung cutting tool mo. And with this bed, so this is so designed para ma-prevent yung deflection na yun. Kasali na yung good damping capacity to absorb the vibration. Okay? So, yan yung bed. So, itong bed, ito lang yung nandito sa babaan nitong tailstock na ito. So, itong part na ito yung bed. And itong highlighted na ito, tawag naman dito is yung tailstock. So, usually it is situated on the right side and nakapatong siya dito sa bed. So, it support the long end of the job para ma-hold siya and para ma-minimize din yung sagging no workpiece natin, lalo na kung mahaba. So, it holds the tool for performing different operation like drilling, reaming, tapping. Yan, pwede dyan. So, ang part nito, we have the fed screw. So, ito yung fed screw. So, kapag inikot mo siya, itong spindle na ito, pwede siyang mag-move forward. And kapag inikot mo siya pabalik, so magre-retract naman siya. Okay? So, we have here also the reduction gearbox. So, optional lang naman ito. So, ang purpose nito, para ma-lessen yung linear movement nitong T5 or yung spindle natin as you turn the fed screw. Pero kung gusto mo naman mahina yung movement nito, di hinain mo na lang din yung pag-turn nitong fed screw. But may mga application din na talagang kailangan ng mahina yung movement lang. So we have the body and the locking lever, no? Kasi itong tailstock na move back and forth lang siya dito, nag-i-slide lang siya dito sa bed. And kapag okay na yung position niya, so you can lock it in using this locking lever para hindi siya mag-move na ano. And at the same time, safe yung workpiece mo. And safe ka din kasi kapag hindi yan nakalock, halimbawa pag nag-turn na yung yung spindle, ma-push siya forward. So yung workpiece mo dito wala ng support. So pwede siyang mag-wiggle and worst it can be thrown and pwede kang tamaan. So importante din na ma-secure natin yung tailstock before operating. Okay? So, didiscuss ulit natin yan sa susunod na mga topic natin. And yun nga, ito yung tailstock. It holds and support the workpiece while operating the machine. Okay? So, next main part is the carriage. The carriage is used to support, guide, and fed the tool against the job when machining is done. So, ang carriage is ito. So, itong part na ito yung carriage consisting of tool post. So, yung tool post, dito natin iniipit or nilalagay yung cutting tool natin. Yung cutting tool natin na finifeed natin sa workpiece. We have also top slide, top slide, and top slide fed screw, and dial. So kapag inikot mo siya clockwise, so mag-move ito pa left, Parang sa thread lang din, So pag minove mo din siya counterclockwise, mag-move na siya pa right. Okay? Parallel to the workpiece mo. Kapag yung compound portion of top slide or yung protractor natin dito, naka-zero. Kapag naka-zero yan, kapag minove mo ito, parallel yung movement nito sa axis of rotation ng workpiece mo. Pero kapag nakaset yan ng angle, let's say 30 degrees, kapag minove mo itong top slide fed screw, so yan, magkakat din siya ng 30 degrees direction papunta doon sa workpiece mo. So ito itong 2B or yung compound portion of top slide, nasa-set siya. May measurement yan dyan kung anong desired na angle yung gusto mo. And sa operation, may mga rulings din tayo dyan. Okay? For the meantime, so yan muna yung discuss natin. And we have also the cross slide. So itong cross slide is kapag inikot mo itong cross slide na ito, yan. So ito naman, mag-move siya, yung fed mo niyan sa workpiece is perpendicular sa axis niya. It can move forward and backward perpendicular sa workpiece. Okay? Ano pa ba? We have also the saddle, and the apron, So itong apron, nandito yung mga mechanism para maging automatic fed, Automatic fed. Kasi itong carriage hand wheel, pag inikot mo siya counterclockwise, mag-move siya papunta sa left. Pag inikot mo naman siya clockwise. Ito pala counterclockwise, pupunta siya sa left. Pag inikot mo siya clockwise, to the right, no? To the right siya. But using this apron, may mga mechanism dito na pwede na siyang mag-move automatically without turning manually the hand wheel, no? Kasi itong fed lever, ano, kapag in-engage mo siya, so pwede na siyang mag-move automatic to the left or to the right, depende dun sa rotation ng spindle mo. Kapag forward, yan, mag-move siya to the left. Kapag reverse, mag-move siya to the right. Kapag yung fed lever yung in-engage mo. Pero kapag ito namang half nut lever, no? Half nut lever, kapag ito yung in-engage mo, ang ginagamit kasi ito for threading. Kasi once na, sabi ko kanina, kapag naset mo na yung speed doon sa tailstock, no? So, i-engage mo ngayon itong half nut lever para mag-move. Ang movement nitong carriage natin is proportion dun sa rotation ng spindle para makakreate tayo ng thread, no? Ng threading operation. So, yung fed lever for automatic lang na movement nito for turning operation, plain turning operation. But yung half nut lever is for automatic movement nitong carriage for threading operation naman. No? And the carriage is in between ng tailstock and headstock. No? Nasa gitna siya. Kasi kung hindi, paano natin makakat yung workpiece natin? Okay? So we have also the fed rod, no? So yung fed rod natin is itong mahabang ito, no? Yung mahabang yan. Fed rod. Yan yung nagto-turn din siya as the spindle turn para kapag in-engage mo yung fed lever is dyan na mag-i-engage para mag-move yung carriage natin. So fed rod is used to move the carriage from the left side to the right side and also from the right side to the leads to the left side. Another is yung lead screw. So yung lead screw, ito siya, nasa taas siya nitong fed rod. So itong medyo malalaking screw so usually siya, square thread. So ang purpose niya is also known as power screw or translation screw. So it converts rotational motion to linear motion. Lead screw is used for thread cutting operation in a lathe machine tool. Okay. So once na in-engage mo itong half nut lever na ito, so mag-i-engage siya dun sa lead screw para for threading operation. Okay? And the last part or the last main part ng lathe machine is yung tinatawag natin chuck. So chuck is used to holding the workpiece securely. So itong chuck na ito kasi there are generally two types of chuck. We have the 3-jaw self-centering chuck and ito naman 4-jaw independent chuck. So itong self-centering chuck, from the word itself, kapag inikot mo siya using this T-wrench, itong mga jaw is automatic siyang mag-move papunta sa center, sabay-sabay. So, ibig sabihin, kung symmetric yung workpiece mo, so automatic na siyang ma-center. While the 4-jaw independent chuck, hindi, isa-isa mo siya i-move para ma-center mo yung workpiece mo. So usually, ginagamit naman ito for the job na yung workpiece natin is hindi symmetrical. No? Hindi symmetrical. And itong chuck na ito, itong jaw ito, so natatanggal siya. So pwede siyang baliktadin para kung medyo malaki yung workpiece na tatrabahuhin natin, so kaya niya pa rin i-hold. No? Kaya niya pa rin i-hold. So ito yung attachment sa spindle para ma-hold yung workpiece. Okay? And for the types of lathe machine, so we have turret, speed lathe, engine lathe, tool room lathe, bench, and CNC lathe machine. Okay? Center or engine lathe machine. So center or engine lathe machine is the most widely used lathe machine, and still it is in every workshop. This machine is present. Operation like turning, facing, grooving, knurling, threading, and more. Such operations are performed on this type of lathe machine. So, ito yung itsura ng engine lathe. Yan. And yung mga lathe machine natin sa school, sa Bizcast is lahat yun. Yung operational, lahat yun engine lathe. No? Engine lathe. We have also speed lathe. So, speed lathe is also called a wood lathe. As the name indicates, speed, the machine works with high speed. So the headstock spindle is rotating at a very high speed. No? So it's operate between 1,200 to 3,600 RPM. And unlike dun sa engine lathe, itong speed lathe walang automatic feature for fed, no? For fed. So yung fed dito sa speed lathe is manual. Kumbaga itong carriage natin, ito-turn natin siya, i-move natin siya left to right manually. Hindi kagaya dun sa engine lathe na may mga lever para automatic yung movement nito. No? But speed lathe is for wood turning lang. No? Wood turning. So meron tayo nito sa FabLab. So capstan and turret lathe. So the capstan and turret lathe machine is used for mass production or large quantity and is modified version of the lathe machine. Engine lathe machine. So ito yung actual picture niya. So this machine were provided by hexagonal turret head instead of the tailstock. No? Wala na tong tailstock. Ang pinalit is hexagonal turret, in which multiple operation such as turning, facing, boring, reaming were performed in a sequence without changing its tool manually. Kasi dun sa engine lathe, kapag ibang operation yung gagawin natin, magpapalit tayo ng cutting tool. So, i-remove mo muna yung cutting tool and then papalitan mo manually after each operation. While dito sa turret, naka-sequence na without changing its tool. Kasi dun sa, yung pinalit sa tailstock, pwede na dun maglagay ng multiple, ang purpose nun for multiple operation. Kaya nga, for mass production. No? Another type of lathe is yung tool room lathe. So the parts are almost the same, similar to the engine lathe, but the parts are built very accurately and should be arranged in proper sequence because this lathe is used for highly precious work with very pure tolerance, meaning accuracy yung labanan dito sa tool room lathe. No? So it operates up to 2,500 RPM and it is mainly used in grindings, working on the tool, die gauges, and machining work where accuracy is needed. But dun sa engine lathe, pwede ka naman dun makapag-operate accurately. Depende pa din sa pag-operate mo. But unlike dito sa tool room lathe, yung tolerance is mas mababa. Kumbaga, i-compare natin yung accuracy ng cap between the engine lathe and the tool room lathe. So, mas accurate dito sa tool room lathe. Okay? So, another type of lathe machine is yung bench lathe. So, same lang siya ng other lathe machine, but it is mounted on the bench. Kumbaga, miniaturized lang ito. Miniaturized na lathe machine. So, this type of lathe machine is small in size and used for very small precision work. It has all the similar parts of engine lathe and speed lathe. Yan. So another type is yung automatic lathe. So as the name indicates, automatic lathe performs work automatically. So standard lathes have some drawback. They are not used for mass production. But automatic lathes are used for mass production. So some mechanisms are responsible for the automation in it. So dito sa automatic lathe kasi, there is no need to change the tool manually because it change automatically. Unlike sa engine lathe, manual talaga yung pag-change ng cutting tool natin. No? So having this machine, the main advantage is that yung single operator can handle more than 45 machines at a time. Kasi nga, pwede na siyang automatic. Automatic. Okay, so we have here also the special purpose lathe. So as the name indicates, special purpose lathe. So may special lang na workpiece na pwedeng gawin dito sa lathe machine na ito. Usually, yung may mga company na meron lang talaga silang ganitong klaseng lathe machine for specific parts lang. No? Itong parts na yun, dun lang gagawin sa special purpose na yun. And it cannot be done, or pwede rin gawin sa iba, but it takes more time compared dito sa special purpose lathe. Na ang purpose nito is for that specific workpiece lang. No? And we have also CNC lathe machine. So CNC stands for computerized numerically controlled. So this is widely used as a lathe in present time because of its fast and accurate working, it is one of the most advanced type. Yan, yung mga advanced type na yun. Kasi, ang operation dito, meron ka lang pre-planned program which yun yung i-fed mo dito sa CNC, and then automatic na siyang gagawin. Bahala na yung machine na gawin, basta yung program or yung design mo, ma-fed mo sa kanya. So, ang kinagandahan nito, halimbawa, may gagawin ka ulit na trabaho, and yung program is na-save mo naman, so pwede mo siyang i-fed ulit para gawin ulit yung same work na gusto mong gawin. Identically. And yun nga, kagaya ng turret lathe machine, CNC lathe machine is din siya, or mass production. And yun nga, ang kailangan lang dito sa CNC lathe machine is another skill, which is the digital design and yung programming. Unlike dun sa mga manual operation, so yung skill mo lang talaga, operating the machine. While dito sa CNC lathe machine, may additional ng skill na needed, which is the digital design. Okay, but yun nga, napaka-advanced na kasi itong CNC lathe machine. Ito na yung mga new technology natin. And aside from that, yung napuproduce na product dito sa CNC lathe machine are very accurate in dimensional tolerance. Okay? So, that's end my presentation. Thank you for your attention. And next topic will be about tools and lathe operation. Thank you very much.